Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Luvme hair. It is a Bodywave wig. It's 24 inches. It's a large cap. It does come with the elastic band in the back. I ended up taking that out because the wig was just too small for my head. Large cap wear, I don't know, but maybe my melon is just too big. I don't know. It ended up can never talk. It ended up being too small for my head, but I was able to finesse it. Here I'm just showing you guys what the knots look like. I did bleach the knots and I colored the hair jet black, and I did cut layers into it. I didn't do that on camera because I have videos of me doing that to all other wigs, so you guys could just look on my channel if you want to see that. But now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm going over it with the hot comb. And I know my elbows are ashy. I'm in my house. I don't care. Don't come for me. But I'm just using my hot comb and going over the hairline and the part, and then I ended up cutting layers and pin curling it, and the hair curled really beautifully. Like, the hair itself feels amazing. It's so soft. There was no smell at all. It curled beautifully. It took the color beautifully. I didn't really have to pluck it, even though I did a little bit just because I'm extra, but I didn't have to pluck it. So it's a great wig. It was just too small. So I pulled out the hair that I'm going to end up cutting into my baby hairs. So that's what those two twists are. And here I'm just sizing the wig to my head and realizing that it's not about to go ear to ear, which, whatever, it's okay. So I'm going to install it with Got2b. I'm using the gel in the yellow bottle, and then I blow dry that till it's tacky, and then I go over it with the Got2b spray, and then I blow dry it again until it's tacky, and then I just pull the wig down. I cut the lace into pieces so it's just easier to do. I always do that when the wig is brand new. So yeah, I'm always stuttering when I'm trying to do a voiceover. What the fuck? So yeah, I'm just gonna pull it down, push it in, and then blow dry it again. And like I said, the hair itself is beautiful. I curled it. It curled so nice. I ended up wearing it to the club, and my hair looked nice all night. I didn't even have a comb with me. Like, I didn't need one. The hair stayed nice all night, even throughout craziness, and it's really nice hair. It's just too small. If I get a frontal in bundles and I sew the wig together myself, I don't have this problem. Like, I could install it beautifully, like it fits, but this does just not go over my melon. Like, I don't know, is my head that big? Like, I know I have a big head, but god damn, like, a large cap did not fit me. Literally, my wig cap is showing in the back. If the hair wasn't so thick and nice, you would be able to see my wig cap because it wasn't covered. Like, that's really crazy. But anyways, I'm just moving on to the sides, and I'm still putting on Got2b and the freeze spray and gluing the wig down. So the sides, like where my sideburns are, that was the hardest part because I could just not get the wig to pull down and stay secure on those sides. Like, it just wouldn't. But I ended up finessing it by doing, like, I guess you could say, like, swoops on my sideburns, which I don't like to do because anybody who knows me knows I prefer just the 2 swoops on my temples. But I had to cover it up, and it ended up looking pretty, so it's fine. So Luvme does send you this little satin headband to use, which is really cute. I used that to secure my wig for a few minutes, and then I blow dried while that was tied on, just for like a little extra security, because I could literally feel it peeling back because it was so tight and didn't fit. So now I'm taking that off and I'm about to cut my lace. I cut my lace with the eyebrow razor, as you can see. So I just put a little split in it with scissors, and then I'm using the eyebrow razor to take the lace off. And on the sides, I left more lace than I usually would with a wig that actually fit, just because I felt like I had to have more lace for it to remain secure. If I would have took off all the lace, I feel like the wig probably would have came off or something. I don't know, but now I'm just doing my baby hairs. I always do a swoop over here, but like I mentioned before, I had to add a swoop near my sideburns, which I don't usually do. So I'm just doing that here to kind of cover up the mess. And that clip was a little out of order. Yeah, but I'm not going back to change it. Fuck that. This is me doing the swoop after you just saw me cut it. I cut on an angle, and then I secure it with foam first, which you can see on the back of my hand, and then I do Gatsby, so it's really stuck. Now I'm just fixing the pieces that I messed up while I was like doing my baby hair and stuff and cutting the lace. So I figured I would leave this clip in just so I could see how nicely the hair curls. Like, it just works perfect. And then I pin curled it back. And now I'm just tying it down with my actual scarf while I do my makeup, just to get it nice and secure. And then after I finish my makeup, I'm gonna take out my pin curls. Like I said, the hair itself is beautiful. Like, it curled so pretty. I had no problem with the quality of the hair itself. It was just the size of the cap. So now I'm gonna take my scarf off, and then I'm just gonna brush through my hair with a paddle brush. And I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad to the untrained eye. It looks okay, but I just know how it should look and how I like it to look. So I wasn't 100% satisfied. But I'm using my curling iron and flattening it out. And then I'm going to take a powder that's way lighter than my skin. And I'm just going to emphasize the part because I felt like you couldn't see it. And that was what the final look looked like, you know. It ended up looking really pretty. Really pretty. I do love the hair itself, so I'm definitely gonna keep wearing this wig. I'm gonna wear it as a side part so that you can't really tell that it doesn't fit my head, but the hair is beautiful. And if you would like to get some, I do have a discount code. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. So yeah, thank you for watching. I know this video is a little lengthy, but yeah, I'm having a brain fart. Thanks for watching. Bye.